In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keywords for better results on Glassdoor. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a wall of job listings, this simple keyword method will help you search smarter and save time. Start by deciding what job you want. Get clear on 3 things: the job title you're aiming for, 1 or 2 core skills you want to use, and the location you prefer. For example, you might be targeting marketing manager with SEO as a key skill, and you might want to work remote. Having this in mind makes the rest of your search really focused. Type one main keyword into the Glassdoor search bar and keep it simple. Start with just the job title. For instance, enter marketing manager. Beginning broad helps you see the landscape without accidentally filtering out good roles too early. Now, narrow the results by adding 1 or 2 skills. This sharpens the match between what you can do and what employers want. For example, type marketing manager SEO. Avoid adding a long list of skills. Too many keywords can hide relevant postings. When you need an exact job title, use quotation marks. This tells Glassdoor to look for that phrase exactly. For example, data analyst ensures you see roles that specifically match that title, rather than loosely related positions. Add a location or the word remote to focus where you want to work. Typing remote or a city like New York will direct your results accordingly. This is especially helpful if you're open to distributed teams or you're targeting a specific market. By the way, if you need quick access, I've placed the link to Glassdoor, plus the official app download links, right at the top of the description so you can follow along. If you keep seeing roles you don't want, remove them with a minus sign. This excludes terms from your results. For example, developer. Senior shows developer roles but hides senior positions. Put the minus sign directly before the term you want to exclude. If your results aren't great, change the keywords. Try similar words or industry variants. For instance, switch customer support to customer success and see how the listings shift. Small changes can uncover a whole new set of opportunities. Finally, check often. New roles pop up all the time, and good ones go fast. Make it a habit to search weekly so you don't miss fresh postings. That's it. Use these keyword tactics to make Glassdoor work for you, not the other way around. If this helped, don't forget to check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.